Mom.
No.
She's about mom.
You can't go with me.
She's coming back. Come on, girl.
Girl, where you think you're going? Not with me? She's trying to block the door so I can't leave. I'm about to go to the bank. Oh, it's so bright. I'm trying to get used to this camera. My mama just did me a ponytail, y'all. I upgraded to a new vlogging camera. I gotta get one of those sticks. So I'm about to go to the bank because we did make 4,000 on DOSH, but we didn't proceed to 5,000. So there won't be a giveaway. But well, actually, it will be a giveaway. But I'm only giving $200 away to 2 lucky dolls. So let's stay tuned. I'm about to go to the bank right now. So yeah, I'm going to the bank to cash out the money. It came in last night. So it said take 3 to 5 business days depending on your bank. So my bank, it came in like what, 1 day or less than like 24 hours. Like legit, I'm telling you, DOSH is really real. And they do have promos all the time. Like they do it for $10, they do it for $20. Sometimes you'll get 20, but most of the time it's mainly 5. But they have like specials where you can promote and refer a friend for that much, and that's all you're basically doing. You're not using anybody, you're just basically referring them to sign up for the app. That's all. Get the camera that everybody got now. The Sony, I don't know, I like the pictures. I really love the pictures. Like I love the way it takes pictures, but the only thing about the Sony, I'm gonna show y'all a difference. So I'm gonna show y'all a difference recording. I'll put them side by side. I'll show y'all using the Sony and then versus this one. It's more vibrant, the color's more vibrant, it's more crisp, it's more clear that I'm looking at, and I can actually see myself. So I could, on the Sony one, I couldn't put the flap up in the back. It only goes to a certain extent. So y'all, that was a, what they call it, what they say, a dub. That was a dub. So y'all, as soon as I get to the bank, I'm gonna see y'all as soon as I get to the bank. Came out the bank, collecting my DOSH money. I just want to y'all, just want y'all to know that it wasn't no scam. It's legit. That's all I want y'all to know. Oh my god, y'all look. Oh my god, they tearing this old movie theaters down. If this bus would get out the way, they tearing this old movie theaters down there. I want to go see something y'all that y'all remember that movie. Oh my god, that's it. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna laugh with my dolls. Yes, play so much. It's how like you said everything good coming for you, love from Trinidad. Thank y'all so much, and I'm gonna keep putting out these tutorials just so y'all can know and so y'all can learn the techniques. Look, cute little house. That's it. I'm trying to just live life. That's it. Oh, it that. This is the money from DOSH referring people. When I referred people, they got $5 and I got 10. That was a promo set that was going on, and it ended 6/12, which was today. It's real. It's free money. Oh well, you better go get it. So they do have, like I said, they have promos and specials every once in a blue moon. So make sure when they have that special, the ones that sign up through my link and stuff, make sure y'all watch out, because y'all need to start referring people and start promoting y'all stuff so y'all can get that free cash. They're on this Family Dollar right here. So I get like some apple juice. And I'll see y'all as soon as I get back in the house. Just came back from the store. I left my camera at home. I was supposed to vlog all day. And I didn't. So what I'm about to do now is I'm about to put on some makeup, because I really want to see how this camera looks. Put this camera to the test. How, wait, this camera though, like, I want to put this camera to the test to see how bomb I look in some makeup. Y'all, so I'll probably be sitting here all night doing makeup. That's probably might be the end of the vlog. But get my hotel. I have to get I'm looking at the viewfinder, y'all. I'm supposed to be looking up I'm supposed to get my hotel That's supposed to be booked, and I'll be showing you the stuff that I got from Five Below. Some of those things that I got. So yeah, y'all, if y'all want to see this, just keep watching this vlog. I start my makeup tutorial that I'm about to do. I did want to touch on some basics. I did buy some new stuff. I got this JS equality LGBTQ community, and then I bought some glitters. I'm about to use these today because I want to be like sultry and pretty. By the Boss glitters. Y'all can still. Can y'all see? Let's see if y'all can see it like this. These glitters are so pretty. Those glitters. I bought some lip glosses. They got these in Ulta now, y'all. Some more concealer. I bought this bronzer, this contour bronzer thing from Morphe. Y'all know I love to chisel those cheeks because I'll be looking fat in the face. And we're just about to try some of these out. Is the makeup. I will be putting up the makeup tutorial probably tomorrow. I'm gonna edit it and everything. I haven't posted anything yet. Makeup probably creasing because y'all know shit must be creasing on me. I keep looking at the viewfinder instead of looking at the camera in the thing, so excuse me if I'm looking up. So yeah, it absolutely turned out cute. This is supposed to be a bronzy look, y'all. So how y'all like it? So I paired it with this outfit. Y'all, I do not be going nowhere, like literally nowhere. Just be playing the clothes and shit like a Barbie doll. So I don't know, I love this ponytail. It's so cute. Even with the nip slip. Even with the gold thing, y'all, look. So I got this whole fit is from Fashion Nova. These earrings are from up north. Y'all know I shop up north. This thing, clip thing in my head is from I think AliExpress or something like that. And then that Gucci belt is fake, y'all, you know, because I don't have time for the real Gucci. You know, I could just get away with this one. I could buy the real Gucci, but I'm not about to do that. You know, I could fake a side make it. So I'm going to link where I got this belt. It's from I Offer, y'all. I Offer. It was so inexpensive. Ooh, let me tell y'all. I think this belt was like $14. Girl, don't it look real? I like to pair it with outfits. So this is cute. This is like a skirt because it's shorts under here. It's not an actual skirt, but this is a skirt. This is so cute and sporty, y'all. Look, I like a Barbie doll. I like a Barbie doll. Ow. Okay, yeah. So looking real cute. I wish I would have recorded today, like me going out and stuff like that. This is supposed to be a vlog of me going out, but I left my camera, y'all. I left my camera in the house. So probably tomorrow we'll get to do a little more of stuff. I might not be this beat minus the eyeshadow. I think I'm gonna do the face again like this, but not the eyeshadow. You probably, so I ain't in the mood to put no eyeshadow on. I got a client in the morning, so alright, y'all. So my phone dead. I'm about to take some pictures on here, and I'll be back to close out this vlog because I might just change back in my outfit and start editing the video a bit. I need to take a little peek, some pictures, and come right back. I'm still trying to work this camera, y'all. It's crazy. Tink time. Alright, y'all. So I'm about to end this vlog in my Mickey Mouse pajamas. I'm about to go wash my breasts off and put some Neosporin on it, and then was to edit this vlog and also the tutorial. So that was it. Like I said, I'm so mad that I left my camera here and I couldn't take y'all in the stores that I was in, but it should be some more vlogs. That's basically what I do on a regular basis, y'all. In the next vlog.